We all want that oneness, but it's not external. The oneness that we're looking for is not based on the external world. It's not based on what we see. It is change from within. Wholeness and oneness is a thought process that aligns us with God and gets us out of our little ego. So when we want more wholeness and oneness in our life, it comes from within. So even though these words are used interchangeably a lot in a spiritual talk, they're similar, but there is a difference. And so I'd like you to think and consider today this way. Oneness is vertical. Our wholeness is horizontal. Okay? So our oneness is our connection to Christ consciousness, Buddha consciousness, to God, to the universal mind, to spiritual truth, to the Holy Spirit, our holy inner guide. It's vertical. This is our oneness. Okay? Our wholeness is our connection to each other. We come back into wholeness together. It's horizontal. It's our gathering together. It's sharing love, linking arms. It's a way to bring disparate parts together, creating wholeness. That's one of the reasons here at Midtown Unity we say, together, inclusive, whole. All of us. Wholeness, oneness. Okay. Isn't that a beautiful way to think about the way that we share love, that we can bring each other back into wholeness? That's our practice of affirmative prayer. That's our practice of meditation together, that we bring each other back into wholeness. And here's the cool thing. When I am working on bringing you back into wholeness and you're working on bringing me back into wholeness, I am doing that for myself. So my act of love for you is an act of love for myself, and your act of love for me is an act of love for you. That is our wholeness.